Hi, and welcome to your second tutorial in filmmaking techniques. In this lesson you will learn about setting up aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and about different shot types. Continuing on from our first tutorial, we can see our subject in the LCD screen. We need to set up our aperture, shutter speed, and ISO settings to give us a correct exposure when filming. Press the display button on the back of your camera. This will show us some of our settings at the bottom of the LCD screen. Have your shutter speed set at 1/50th of a second. Have your aperture setting between f3.5 and 5.6. This is our exposure meter, which will tell us if we are under or overexposed. Press your shutter button halfway to get a reading of your scene. As you can see, we are underexposed. To help us increase more light, we need to increase the ISO. Press the Q button and select ISO. We increased it to 800. We are still slightly underexposed, so we need to increase the ISO once more. When we check again, we can now see we are slightly overexposed. You may need to adjust your settings back and forth to make sure you have a proper exposure. Analyse the back of your LCD screen and judge to see what is best. Just don't underexpose or overexpose your image too much. When filming, there are many different shot types to choose from, which we will go through now. This first one is called an extreme long shot. With an extreme long shot, you should be able to see the full length of your subject depending on the scene you're filming. The second one is called a long shot. With the long shot, you are closer to your subject but can still see a lot of the person. The third one is called a medium long shot. With the medium long shot, you are framing the person from above their knees and still seeing the rest of the subject's body. The fourth is called a medium shot. As you can see, we've gotten closer again. You are framing the shot from above their waist. The fifth shot is called a medium close-up. A medium close-up is framed so that you have their head and shoulders in shot. The sixth shot is called a close-up. We've gotten closer to our subject where we have a full view of their face with a bit of their shoulders in the frame. Our final shot is called a big close-up. This is framed so that all we have is their face in the shot. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to create a simple scene using some of these shot types.